back to Rolling Hills. I am Akanksha and this is my channel. My gimbal is doing weird things, but welcome here. This morning we are going to explore Melbourne City and I'm going to show you.
Waiting for something to get to me. I wasn't.
The first thing I'm gonna do is eat.
We see, but you act like gravity and you are pulling me. 'Cause you know what I want, babe. And you know everything that gets me going. You know what I want, babe.
We are here at Hosier Lane and we are grabbing some coffee from this place called White Mojo. We were supposed to have breakfast here, but it's almost lunchtime.
Wait on me before I do it. You know what I want, babe. You know what I need before I show it. I saw a fire from the sea. I didn't know what it was telling me.
So we were walking to find some breakfast place and we ended up in Hosier Lane, which has got a lot of cafes for breakfast and lunch, and it looks so nice. Like all the alleys are covered with their awnings, and then you have all these amazing cafes, and we decided to stop by in this one called Triim because the menu looked really promising. So let's see how that turns out, but I'm pretty excited to start my day with some really nice Italian lunch.
All the little things that I'm not showing. You know what I want.
I was just speaking to the owner of the cafe and I told him that we are from Sydney, and he gave us these caps because it's really sunny out here and we forgot to bring ours, which is really sweet gesture from him to come here. It's a nice person.
That all the things been happening is no coincidence. 'Cause you know what I need, yeah. You know what I want, babe. And you know everything that gets me going. You know what I want, babe. All the little things that I'm not showing. You know what I want, babe. And you know it all before I do it. You know what I want, babe. You know what I need before I show it. You know what I want, babe.
So I tried this char-grilled chicken pho from this place called Mekong, Vietnam on some street in Melbourne CBD, and it is amazing. You have to try it. It's just so good and so flavorful. I'm loving this. This is like such a big serving as well.
You know what I want. You know what I want. You know what I want.
This is yum. You have to try this. Bill Clinton had pho in this place, and now it's mine.
I'm looking up from my window. Sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet.
If you want to grab some really great breakfast or brunch in Melbourne, Degraves Street is the place to be. We just discovered that this little street is filled with all these beautiful cafes. We are sitting at the corner and it's packed. We've got a table in like 5 minutes, but this street is packed and it's the best place to grab brunch.
Is it gone all the way baritone? Yeah. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I get the wine and the corkscrew.
I have a question for you. Have you eaten in a tram? Or actually a better question, have you ever seen trams on top of a building's roof? No? I'll show you both.
You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV.
This is Easey's and we're gonna go out and sit in the crates.
Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. your favorite music on, all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared.
And we finally got a table at the Trams, like next to the Trams, and we are sitting here in their yard, and it's a beautiful, beautiful place. I mean, the vibe's really nice, and I did order something really big. I ordered one of their hot dogs and some mac and cheese bites, and they look delicious in the pictures. I'm so excited for it.
The TV in the room, we'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food.
Orgasmic food.
Shut the lights, go infrared.
It has been a messy affair, but the chili corn dog was good. The burger was amazing, and the mac and cheese croquettes are a must-have.
We can spend all day in bed. Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah.
And last but not the least, we went to Hosier Lane. This was our first night in Melbourne after we landed, and we ended up at the most talked about and the most popular street in Melbourne. And guess what? It was 2 AM in the morning and we had the whole lane to ourselves. There was not a soul around. But I would highly recommend not to go to this place at such a time because it's not safe at all, and take my word for it. Also, it's not just Hosier Lane where you'll find graffiti. There are plenty others spread out all across Melbourne with equally amazing artworks waiting for you to visit them.